Hey fam, it's been a long time. Yeah, I am back. So let's do a room tour. I recently got a new apartment here in school, and I would like us to take a tour with me. All right, let's get it started. So let's go, guys. I just made it a little bit more comfortable for myself, and that's it. That's it. I got this mirror. I so much love it. Yeah. I just made it as simple as I can. Yeah, not like this. I think this is more comfortable. This is more simple for me. Yeah, just made it very very simple. So, I have this here. Um mm, I also have a lot of things in here as well. Then my content creation tools are here. So I had to keep my fridge here because there is no space in the kitchen for it. There is no space at all for it. So I just had to keep it here. This is the only place it can be because there is a closer wall socket as well. So that's it. I have my lightnings on because I'm shooting. So this is basically what I have here, and yeah, so that's it for the room. Um just keep my shoes and my bags here, and the wardrobe. Let's check out the wardrobe. Um, nothing much, nothing much. Just lady stuffs and skincare. Uh, mm, nothing so serious. Just lady stuffs. So just because the wardrobe is just too massive, I had to uh keep my books here as well. Also my traveling box, just to maintain space. So as you can see, the wardrobe is just too massive, so it contains a whole lot of things in there, even the upper chamber as well. So it makes my space more comfortable. Yeah, because a lot of things are in there inside the wardrobe. So and this area contains my clothes and a lot of other things. The other space I put some things because the wardrobe is just too spacious, and that's it. I think that's it for the room. And let's go over to this. So I got a washing machine. Because seriously, washing with your hands is really stressful. So I said no. This semester I am getting one for myself, and I actually did. So that's it, guys. Over to the kitchen. Um, nothing so much here. Just my stuffs and all of that. So that's it for the kitchen. I just made it simple this time around. I just felt like simplicity is actually very good though. So I this is my kitchen. This is it. This is it. So that's it, guys. This is my new apartment, and seriously, I'm loving it. It's giving me these vibes, smooth vibes. Yeah. So that's it. Let's move to the next thing. Yeah, guys, the bathroom, I just also kept it simple. I got this storage organizer. Yeah, I got it because everything fits in here. So that's it for it. That's it for it. And that's it, guys. Hey fam. So that's it for today's episode, and I hope you enjoyed it. And I promise to be more consistent and vlog more, create more content, and I hope you stick with me. I hope you subscribe. If you're coming across this video for the first time, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Bye.